Hello and welcome to Karigar. Today I have the entire portfolio of all the marble cutters that we have, be it the 5-star series or the 7-star series. The objective of today's video is to see to it that how can we enhance the life of the machine. That is the first point. What are the do's and what are the things which should not be done? Basics of how to put a blade on the marble cutter, various steps, precautions. We will further explore by talking about carbon brushes, the importance, the use, and how easy it is to put it, and how important it is to check. So we'll start off with the 5-star series. So this is the product that we will take. So what tools are needed first of all to change or to put a blade? So what I would need? I would need a spanner, and what I would need this for the nut over here. So these two tools are given as standard with all the marble cutters. So now we'll see that how we will put a 7-star Karigar segment blade along with the ring, the washer. This is very important aspect. I'll show you once we put this thing or assemble this thing or put this thing on this marble cutter. You should always keep in mind that based on the usage of the machine, you always check the carbon brushes. I'll show you that how to take out a carbon brush and to see how much wear and tear has happened, and during a due course of time you will be able to estimate based on your usage that how much your carbon brush is going to last, because it is subjective, it is based purely on the usage and the usability aspect. So you can see, now here we will see what is the right way to put a blade on a marble cutter. So you can see the nut is here. So clockwise it will loosen up and you can remove this particular nut. Now we will put this blade over here, the Karigar 7-star segment blade. A ring will come over it. You can see the grooves over here. These grooves will match over here, so it will be a perfect fit. You can see this is a perfect fit. Now we will go in the anti-clock direction to tighten it. This is what I have done manually. If I will be using this particular machine, I'll use the spanner to lock the movement of this particular blade, and then I'm going to use this key to tighten it further. So this is how a blade is put on a marble cutter. Now the second aspect which is there is that of a carbon brush. Now if you look, carbon brush is put on either sides of this machine. This is how the carbon brush looks like. made out of graphite and copper. It is a very small part, but it is one of the most important part of the machine. If we fail to look at it, if we fail to see to it that if there is a lot of wear and tear on this particular aspect, if not checked, there will be problems in the armature and the stator. So it is advised, based on the usage, is to have a look at the carbon brushes. So I will open the slot and I'll show you how you take out the carbon brush. We'll be using a screwdriver. I'll take off the cap and you can see the carbon brush. Now if you can closely look at the slots over here, all I need to do is to put back the carbon brush in the slot and then I will screw the cap on it. For longevity, proper maintenance, for you to enjoy Karigar for a very long time, I and we, everyone at Karigar, strongly recommend all of you to follow all these processes so that we are able to maintain the machines in a proper way. And stay safe. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.